right, today in Meldrum's Monster Garage, we're adding a new spoiler to the 66 Chevelle. What do you think of that? No, we're not doing that. What we're doing is, since we are replacing the carpet and I've got the seat out of the car, it's a good time to replace this cracked dash pad. Now, I've heard that these new dash pads don't fit as well, but it's got to look better than these big old cracks. So here we go. All right, so why do I like to do this with the front seat out? Well, I tell you, replacing this dash pad is a lot easier if I can lay down and get underneath the dash. The first few screws are easy. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws, Phillips head screws right along the bottom here that will be easy to take out. But then there's some nuts up in the dash that are a little harder to see, and I can't exactly remember, but I'll tell you when I get to those. So pretty easy peasy here as far as these ones go. I got my handy dandy DeWalt screwdriver. Those will come out nice and easy. So let's do that. All right, the next part of this project that you're going to think, oh my God, Mark, you're nuts. But I tell you, I searched all over the internet and I didn't find anybody that's doing this. So I hopefully this video can help somebody. But what I've done now, and I'll show you in a sec, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't know, 5, 6. Might have to drop the steering column down, not quite sure. But there's bolts that hold the dash up, and of course there's a screw right there, and then on the other side too. So sorry, I'm using my foot for a pointer, but it is nice to lay down in here without a seat. And then what we're going to do is that gives you enough access to get to, and hopefully with my light you can see this. Figured out a way to jam the light up in there, so now you get a really good shot of what it looks like right in there. So I think that's about a 1/2 inch nut we'll get off of there. And let's see, there's probably 1, 2, 3, probably 6 of these we got to get to. There's one in the way over there in the corner, and then I can see some more. I did drop down the steering wheel too. It's just a couple bolts that hold this and allows you to drop it down a little more, give you a little more access. You can see some of the studs under there. Okay, and I was getting so close to the ignition switch here, decided to disconnect the battery. That'd probably be a good thing. And then over here, this very first one we looked at is being stubborn. And I think it's spinning, so we're going to have to get creative on that one. All right, got the dash pad in. Am I happy with it? For the most part. Does it fit good? Hell no. This is a fiberglass one, and they didn't put the pins in the exact right place, so it was a bitch getting it down there. I understand the new ones, they make it's a metal base, so maybe the pins are more accurate on the new ones, new reproductions they make. But it's in, it looks good, it's not cracked, so I'm happy. Mark Meldrum, Meldrum's Monster Garage. See ya!